After a long, heated night, Lynchburg City Council passes a new zoning law defining reproductive health care services as abortion services and puts strict limits on where these clinics can operate. The decision has people talking, with some saying it protects neighborhoods, while others call it a political move that could lead to lawsuits. Community journalist Jalen Stubb takes a closer look at both sides.
We recognize that location matters.
That you will be open for a lawsuit.
I think this amendment is a reasonable compromise.
I also oppose this zoning amendment wholeheartedly because it lacks transparency.
After a lengthy and heated public hearing Thursday night, the Lynchburg City Council voted 4-2 to pass a new zoning ordinance, a measure that, quote, defines reproductive health care services as abortion services and restricts where such service providers can operate in the city.
We were mostly focused on where we didn't want them to be, like at a school or a church or a place where children gather, parks, that kind of thing. We didn't want to ban it outright. We wanted to make sure we appropriately zoned so they wouldn't be in those places.
Now, to give you a perspective, no clinic is allowed within 1,000 feet of this building because it's a high school.
This restriction blocks most of Lynchburg from hosting such clinics. The areas in purple would remain available. Even then, any proposed clinic would need special approval from the City Council.
I think it's limiting parenting resources, and you got to think about some of the parents, the ages of the children, the ages of people that the medical situations. You got to look at all that.
The hearing lasted nearly 5 hours, standing room only, with nearly 70 people speaking. The majority, 58 people, supported the ordinance, saying it protects families, children, and the character of neighborhoods. 9 people spoke against the proposal, calling it a misuse of zoning laws and unnecessary since no clinics of this kind have plans to open in Lynchburg. Others think it's political.
It does not ban abortion, but it does restrict where abortion facilities can be located.
The zoning ordinance is a thinly veiled attempt to basically ban clinics that provide abortion services throughout the city of Lynchburg.
Beyond Lynchburg, the issue remains highly divisive, with no voters set to decide reproductive rights at the state level this fall. Reporting in Lynchburg, I'm Jalen Stubbs, 10 News, working for you.